Now, this part of the exam, we are going to be working from page 2, and it is run your Windows Explorer software. It's important that you have 2 folders, the complete mock exam files 2018, or you might have saved it as 2019, and the mock exam files 2018. Now, that's the files that you downloaded off the off Moodle, and that has the cathedral image, etc. in it. And these are the files that you completed. So that's the file with your newsletter inside. It wants us, so the first thing it needs to do is run your Windows Explorer software, and that's actually this here. You can see here this little folder. So I'm just double clicking on that, and it wants me to search the mock exam 2018 or maybe 2019 folder for the .x format. So I'm going to double click on my desktop, and I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to double click on the mock exam 2018 because that's the files that I've downloaded, or the folder I downloaded from Moodle. And in the search here, I'm just going to search .x, okay, and this comes up, okay. And the next thing it says is create a folder called My Templates, My Name in the Complete Mock Exam Files 2017 folder, and copy the .x template to the folder. So it wants me to copy this folder. So to copy it, this file, I'm going to right click and hit copy. Now I want to paste it into a new location. So I'm double clicking on desktop, I'm scrolling down, I'm going to my complete mock exam files, I'm creating a new folder by right clicking, folder. This folder is going to be called My Templates, My Name. I double left click into the file to open it, and then I right click and paste to paste my copied cover letter mock. Okay, there's a few ways you can do that, but that might be the simplest way for you. Okay, on page 3, it asks us to use our file management software to record the file size and when the template was created. I'm going to right click again on the document. I'm going to scroll down to Properties, and rather than go to General, because it's just going to give me today's dates and times, I'm going to go to Details. And in Details, I can see that the content was first created on the 20th of the 3rd, 2013. If I scroll down further, I can see that the file size is 34.0 KB. Kilobytes. Okay, I handwrite that into the test or the exam. Okay, and I can just hit OK for that. The next thing it says is to open and complete the template. So I'm going to double left click to open. I must hit the yellow Enable Editing. It asks me to put today's date in. When I left click into the date, it gives me this scroll down arrow, and I'm just going to click on today's date. In recipient, I'm just going to write Mary Robinson. Okay. In title, I'm going to write manager. In company name, I'm going to write Topshop. Street address, 3 St. Stephen's Green, and Dublin 2. Okay. At the end where it says yours sincerely, okay, I'm going to highlight the administrator and I'm going to type in my name. Is that all right? Okay. The next thing it asks me to do is switch on track changes. So I go to review. Okay, so I go to review. I hit track changes and select track changes. It asks me to make sure that the changes are shown in balloons. So I go to show markup, balloons, and show revisions in balloons. Okay. The next thing I must do is delete resume. So I'm going to highlight resume and type in curriculum vitae. Notice that the changes appear in the balloons on the side of the document. The next thing it asks me to do is delete spring and summer and change it to autumn and winter. Okay. The changes come up there. Now it wants me to save the template as cover letter track changes. So I go to File, Save As. I don't want it to go into my documents library though. I want to go into the folder that I created earlier. So I'm going to double click on desktop. I'm going to scroll down, double click on complete mock exam files, double click on my templates, and then save it as cover letter track changes underscore your name. Okay, and save. It asks me to print the document, so you just go File, Print, make sure it's the correct computer, and print. And that is the second part of the 40% exam.
Just a question.
Done in 6 minutes.